Hey Skunk, this one's for the how to find the direct object. Okay, so first what you want to do if you're going to find the direct object is first you need to find the predicate, just like you do when you're just finding the predicate and subject. So you look for the verb in the sentence, and you want to look for that verb that changes and fits with the subject. So in the first one, it's going to be the pup ate ham. It's going to be ate. It's going to be the verb. So you're going to underline that, and that's going to be your subject. Your predicate. It's going to be your predicate. And then you know your subject is going to be the pup, because the pup's the one doing the eating. Then you have to ask yourself, what got, and then whatever that predicate is, what got eaten in this case. It could be what got hit, or what got kicked, or what got drunk. But what got eaten? What got whatever the verb is. Well, what got eaten in the sentence? Obviously, it's the ham that got eaten, and that is going to be your direct object. All right. For the next sentence, it says, in case you can't read it, Skunklet picked his nose. So, obviously your verb, Skunklet picked or his or nose, is going to be picked. You can pick. Underline that, and that's going to be your predicate, and it changes and it matches Skunklet. So Skunklet is going to be the subject. Skunklet's the one doing the picking. What is getting picked? That's going to be your direct object. It's got to be either his or nose. Nose is the only one that makes sense. That's what's getting picked. Alright, next sentence. I kicked him. Well, as usual, you find your predicate first. That's the verb. Kicking is something you can do. Then you find your subject, who's doing the kicking. I'm doing the kicking. Who is getting kicked for your direct object? Him, obviously. He's the one getting kicked. Direct object. Now it works exactly the same in Spanish. You've got, so you can sentence here, it's Sofía tiene un hermano. Sophia has a brother. So, first, what's your verb? It's going to be tiene is going to be your verb. It means to have. She has. So that's going to be your predicate. Who has in this sentence? Quien tiene. That's going to be Sophia. Is the one who has. So Sophia tiene. And then what does she tiene? What does she have? What's being had in this sentence? And the answer is brother. So brother is going to be your direct object because that's what's being had. And that's how you find direct objects.